I need to figure out something. Shit. Uh. Wait, what's going? Shit. Not. No. Fuck. Hello. Uh. Fuck. I don't know. This is Catbird. I just found it on Play Store. It's free and shit. And my nose is itchy. Ugh, fuck. God damn. Okay. Can y'all hear it? Can y'all hear me? Aww. Oh, they look so cute. God, I'm just turning. Oh God. Oh. He dead. Oh, he. Is he? He dead. He is dead. Aww. Aww. He sounds so damn cute when he's walking. Oh my god. The fuck am I? I know I'm a Catbird, but how does this look like a cat and a bird? I'm trying to figure out what the pixel. The easiest. The easiest way to get the fucking crown. There we go. It's probably like this shit. Oh shit. What the hell would happen? Did I die? Hear something? Oh, no. Asshole. Yo. It's weird though. I'm a Catbird. I need to calm my ass down. I need to. Oh, my dumbass. Something's on my arm. It was the boat. Go! Gate, thanks for trying. Quit fucking lagging on me, you piece of shit. This is easy as hell. I know it's a newly. Oh wait. Oh yeah, I stole another Level 3. Well, this looks easy. Let's just kill these two right here. These two things on the bottom of the floor. Let's just kill these two. They're dead now. And let's just kill the floor. There we go. The floor is dead. Now let's get the damn key. Let's go. No! Oh god. You're trying to trick me, you piece of shit. The game is trying to trick me, you guys. Fly! I can't fly. I suck ass. Oh, we're supposed to push that. I want to kill these two again. It looks funny as fuck. Oh wait, they're not dead. Oh, never mind. So I'm supposed to push this over here. I wonder what happens. I push it in there. Oh. So there's like. Oh god. Oh, it's like a boat, which I can't fucking land. Go! Oh my god, why is it not go? Wait. Go. Down. There. Kill the floor. Push this over here. Oh my god. Jump on this. Now fly. Fly, birdie, fly. Bye, you little bitches. Bye, you two green and blue bitches. Just go. Oh god, they're just saws. I'm a gaming expert. I am awesome at games. I am awesome at games. I can beat them. I can play a little bit of rage games. I can't play them all the damn time. Oh shit, I can't play them all the damn time because I get pissed off and I cry a little. Just to be honest. Wait, there's something. Wasn't there something over there? No, I don't. No, shit. Oh god, run. Oh shit. Whoa, what the fuck is over here? Oh, okay, let's see if we can fly. Okay, we can't fly over it because we're a piece of shit. Oh my god. Oh my god, no, I don't want that damn game. No, fuck you. Fuck you. What's happening? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my Jesus. What is happening to my damn phone? There. Oh wait, there's a hole up there. Oh. Wait. Hang on. Nope. Well, that ain't gonna help. Don't know how the hell I'm gonna get over there. What the hell are those? What are those damn things? And are those shattered? That one with the long ass legs are creepy as fuck. It looks like a bird and a snail. It has snail eyes and it has elephant nose and it has long ass legs. Okay, let's just push the damn button and go to the next level. Buzz Cut. Buzz Cut, that's the name of the third level. Up and down. This just looks easy. See, it's easy. Easy, just like that. Just easy, what the hell is up here? See, easy, not easy, never fucking mind. I suck ass. Shut up! Shut up! Nope. Oh, yeah. The hell did I just say? Damn it. I don't know if you guys can hear me or I don't know. Fuck off. So fuck off. I should have turned off that damn notifications. Oh, god damn it. Okay. Fuck off, damn it. Wait. No. Yeah. Okay, I'm not getting pissed off. Just. Oh, damn it. I'm gonna get through this damn level. If it will stop lagging, I'll get through it. Oh god. Fuck off! Why did I turn on the fucking notifications when I started this damn video? I'm retarded as hell. Now this looks a little bit challenging. B, fuck off, B. Fuck off. Ooh. Ooh. Yas, I got it. I got it. Where's the K? That just looks easy as hell to get through. Oh! Ooh! Wait, what's over here? I killed myself. Oh my god, not another fucking ad. Oh my Jesus. I don't want to go. I don't care for that damn game. Leave me alone. Fuck off. I don't care. I mean, game. God. Oh my. I dropped my fucking phone. I dropped my fucking phone. Oh god damn it. Nope. Wrong timing. Why is it? God, I just jumped right into it. I just jumped right into the motherfucker. The damn saw. Oh god. I need to time my damn self. There's like fucking shadows everywhere. It's creepy a little. What the hell am I? I don't like. Why would you call this a catbird? That's like a weird name for it. Okay. Okay, just fuck the crowns. I'll get those in the future episodes. I'll just get those later. And fuck, I can't go down there. Looks like I have to go down there. Very fucking, never mind. Just fly. Jump into the black vortex. How long is this? Damn, 10 fucking minutes already now. Wait, I don't do you guys hate it when, oh my god, do you guys hate it when there's a level like this and you don't trust it and it sends a trap down there where you're falling? Comment below about that. I hate, I hate those down levels. Why does this reminds me of Kirby's Dream Land? Oh, this reminds me of Kirby or some shit, I don't know. Slow. Fly down slow. Fly down slow. God damn it. My head is itchy. Fuck. Woo! Yeah. Oh my god. This game has some. Why is that come up the most? This game has so many fucking ads, but it's a good game. I hate the good games that has the good ad. I hate the good games that has the ads. Fly down slowly. Fly down slowly, you little piece of shit. Trying to trick me there. Stupid ass game. Okay. Haha. 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 Ha ha ha. Can't get me. I swear to God, if this game won't stop lagging. This just popped up in my head. Why not? When oh my god. When I was little, we moved and we stayed at our grandpapa's, and I stayed at my grandpapa's, and I was playing with my car. I was playing with my two cars, and all of a sudden the lights just went off, and I screamed like a little girl, cause it scared shit out of me, cause my grandpapa's house was haunted, and I was scared of the dark, and I screamed "Grady!" and nothing happened. I got scared as fuck. I think I peed myself back then when that happened. I don't know what happened when I was little. I'm a weird kid. Don't you fucking, oh my god. Fucking game's lagging. I'm losing grip of my phone. Oh my god, stop lagging, please. Haha. Can't get me, bitch. Haha. Nope, just let that bitch fall. And God, stop lagging. Damn. Boing, boing. Run. Run like a biatch. Get the crown. I am gonna get some crowns in this future. I am gonna get some crowns in this episode, but I'm not gonna get all of them. And I'm not gonna get all of them in every world in every episode. I'm gonna do that in a future episode where I'm gonna get all the crowns. This looks. Oh my god, this is making me nervous as fuck. Oh, Jesus! Right timing, right timing. I am a boss at this game. No, fuck you. Oh shit! What the hell is that? What are you? It looks like you're from Mega Man. Like those yellow things, it looks like from Mega Man. Oh, don't drop on me, you piece of shit. I'll stab you and your parents. I wish they wouldn't make the enemies be like dumb as fuck. Okay, I can do this. He can't run that fast with his stubby ass feet. He just... Okay, got the first key. I swear to God. My body is fucking up. I'm getting itchy. My eyes are fucking... God damn it. Oh my God. Where am I going to? Or am I... What the hell am I going to do with this career? What is my phone doing? I don't want that damn game. Yes, I like drawing. I draw. I'm a badass drawer. I don't want that damn game. I got the Paint app. Don't want that damn game. I want to play this game. Okay. Oh my God, stop lagging. I swear to God. Why is the camera like that? Man, it's just... Ugh. 16 minutes, damn. Oh shit, you clusterfuck. Leave me alone. Even your stubby ass legs or feet. They don't even have feet. What the hell is wrong with you? It actually looks like one of those yellow things from Mega Man 5. Yeah, it looks like it. The things that come out with helmets. They come out of the ground with helmets on their heads. And they shoot at you. Those bitches are annoying as fuck. Okay. Now we gotta time this. Just right. Now what are these motherfuckers? They don't have no legs. They have feet. Oh, I'm a boss that bitch. Oh damn, the time went by so damn fast. The time went by so damn fast. What the hell am I even saying in my life? Oh, it's one of these fucking things. I hate those levels. Oh my God, stop lagging! Jesus Christ. Fuck, you're gonna kill me. Fuck me. Jesus hell Christ. Oh God. Oh God. This game is making me nervous as hell. I swear to God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh my God, just jump. Just jump. Push. Push it, honey. Push. Oh God. Yay, thank you. Thank you. Checkpoint, hell yeah. Oh shit, what the fuck? What the fuck? You pieces of shit. Please. Okay. Run! Oh my God, you lagged. Oh my God. Okay, look here, you turds. Leave me alone. God, I ran right into fucking that. I'm getting chills all over my body. I do not know why. Run! God damn it. Run! Okay, I got time this just right. No, you little shit leader. No. Stop lagging, please. No, God, Jesus. Will you stop lagging now? Okay, there we go. Thank you. Okay, you're not... Okay. Okay, just go to the fucking level. Where am I? Oh my Jesus. The Crusher. What the hell is this? Oh God, boss battle. A boss battle. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, bitch, whoa. Damn it. Oh my God, you piece of shit. Okay, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up before I beat your ass. Wake, Oh, there we go. You're dead. Your ass is dead. Thank you. Goodbye, bitch. Bitch, bye. I'm going to the next level. Thank you. Goodbye. Okay, where am I going next? Whoa! Oh, I wish I could landed it. Fly! Run! Fly! Run! No, 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 don't die. Breathe. Breathe. Oh, poor little catbird. We're going to a tree planet now. Okay, sorry about that. My phone just turned off and shit. I don't know what's wrong with my phone. I'm sorry, guys. My phone's been fucking laggy all damn day and all damn week and all damn month. And it's been aggravating the shit out of me. Hasn't it, Delilah? Her ass is dead, asleep. Delilah. Her ass is dead. That's Catbird. Get in Play Store. It's free. Have fun with the game. I hope y'all have a good day. And goodbye. Bye, I love y'all.